근데 사람들 usually don't read야.
I didn't realize this part would take so long.
크리스마스 기프트 받은 적 있어? 오, 진리 이거 다 뭐야 오늘은?
So fun fact about me, I have never in my whole life put up a Christmas tree.
왜 한 번도 못 해봤어?
My family was just not that religious, so we just never did. But today, it's my first time, so we have our tree and some ornaments and we're gonna decorate.
오, 알았어.
Have you ever put up a Christmas tree in your house?
뭐 어렸을 때 해봤는데 어렸을 때 해보고 거의 기억이 안 나.
Do you think I can do it well for my first time?
진짜 잘할 수 있을 것 같은데?
So here's our ornament balls, and we really love South Park, so we got these from Amazon.
오케이.
And some more little bit fancier ones.
이건 이쁘다 진리.
I like these a lot.
이거는 진리.
It's called a tree topper, so it goes on top of the tree.
그 트리 맨 꼭대기에.
Tree hat.
트리 햇이구나. 알았어.
Okay. Oh, and these are ornament hooks.
그걸 걸어야지.
It's a good thing I noticed because I took a look at the ornaments and there is the hooks, but there's no. I mean, not the hooks, but like the things that the hooks go in. But there's no hooks that are included with the ornaments. You had to buy these separate. Good thing I did,
잘했어.
or else we'd be in trouble now.
자, 그럼 뭐부터 시작할까?
Okay. I think I might need scissors. Thank you. Honey, when you got your Christmas tree, was it real or fake?
그냥 토이였던 것 같아. 오빠 아직도 생각나는 게 그 크리스마스 그 산타가 우리 집에 왔어. 오빠 집에. 그래서 오빠가 루돌프 보여달라고 엄청 와이닝했어. 그 산타. 그 산타가 레노웨이했지.
Oh.
이거 오늘 진리가 다 혼자 하는 거지 혼자.
Because it's my first time.
크리스마스 언박싱.
Whoa! Not bad. Doesn't feel very papery.
뭐야 그거는 진리?
Maybe instructions on how to set it up. And extra lights maybe. Okay, here's how to set it up. So instructions on how to set up the tree.
근데 사람들 usually don't read야. You don't
I'll-
have to read.
Yeah, I don't have to. Okay, here's the tree stand. And that's heavy.
See, you never read the manual and instruction.
Oh, okay, that makes it tighter. Cool, cool. Okay. They both look like the top. Oh. Okay,
알겠어, 준이?
I think so.
아이고,
It's beautiful. I can't believe I thought about getting a real tree.
What do you mean real tree?
This is a fake tree,
Imitation tree.
an imitation tree. But there's a lot of people that get the real thing. They get
맞아,
an
맞아,
actual
맞아,
tree.
맞아.
But I imagine that must be really difficult to. Oh, top.
아, 써있네.
Top.
어.
And nothing. Okay, so that goes on top. Thanks for that. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Jilly, put the tree on the, yeah. There you go. You have to remove that.
It's not heavy. That's fine. Yeah, there we go. He's fine. Fine, strong.
아, 다 이거 잉글리시 아니야, 줄리?
Yeah, it's English, but
아, 잉글리시 아니네.
that's the one side is Spanish. Yay! Done. Aw, it's cute.
거의 다 했네, 줄리.
Oh,
어?
so easy. Oh. It's pretty big.
That's what she said.
Isn't it supposed to poof out more?
아, 이게 줄리. 이렇게 푸비하게 줄리가 만드는 거야.
You have to.
이렇게.
Yeah.
재밌어?
It's interesting. I see why this is a family event.
아, 이게 같이 해야 되니까.
어.
해야 되니까.
Especially with really big trees.
줄리 그러면 어렸을 때는 그 크리스마스 때 이렇게 트리 하고 싶었어? 줄리 영했을 때?
When I was young, I always wondered why literally everyone else at their house has a tree except mine. And then maybe I asked one time, and my parents were like, "Oh, it's too expensive and too dirty, even though you can get fake trees." So the way that I was still able to experience Christmas and, you know, seeing a tree was we went to my parents' friend's house, and they always decorated a lot. So they had a tree and, you know, other decorations, and it was always a big party. That was nice. But then I'd go home, and then there's, you know, our house is just a regular house. So, I don't know. And like someone asked me, well, Jill, didn't you celebrate Christmas at your school? Yeah, I did. But same, when you go home, it's a normal house. So it didn't stick with me, I guess.
그럼 크리스마스 때 뭐 했어?
Just go to my parents' friends' houses.
그래?
That's it. That's all.
그 오빠가 듣기로는 줄리 그 Chinese food 먹었다고 하던데. Is it true?
Yeah.
왜 중국 음식 먹었어?
Because my parents liked it. And I was just a dumb child. So I was just like, cool, you know, takeout food.
No, because you're Jewish.
Even when I was young, you know, usually in the US, if you go to a shopping mall, there is Santa who is sitting in a big chair, and you can go sit on his lap and tell him what you want for Christmas. I never did that.
You wanna go and try now?
Yes, we love Santa. I want to tell Santa that I was a good girl this year, and I hope next year will be good too. Looks good. Now for the fun part. Let's put the ornaments on. Ooh. You're so pretty. What? It's beautiful. It's festive.
아하. 아이고.
My first one! 갑자기 신나?
아이고. 이거 다 해야 돼, 다? 이거를?
Yes.
힘들지 않을까?
No, I'm having fun. 이것도 이쁘게 해야 돼.
지금 그러면 크리스마스 때 어? 그 크리스마스 기프트 받은 적 있어? When you wake up?
No,
없었어?
when I was young, no.
그러면 그 뭐야 크리스마스 때 그거 이렇게 빅 socks 안 했어?
Oh, the stockings?
어.
Nope.
안 했어?
No, my parents were non-religious. Yeah, now that I think about it, I don't think I got any gifts either. If I did, they were like clothes or something. You know, it's my first time to put up a Christmas tree, so how many ornaments will we need? Do we need a lot? And now finally I can kind of guess. And I think we have a little too much, but that's okay. It's our first time, so whatever.
Better than less?
No, better more than better too it's better to have too many than not enough. It's true.
오, 지금 이제 다 했네. 오.
This is so pretty. Okay, next. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at oh. They've got pine cones and little. Wow, these match the. It matches.
오.
I just picked this one out because I think it looked the prettiest. It was Destiny.
지금 이건 이쁘다.
Oh, it's so pretty. That was a good choice, huh? 너무 예쁘다. There's a gingerbread man. I'm having too much fun. Let's put our South Park characters on.
어.
Who else is a South Park fan? Raise your hand. We love South Park. It's our favorite show. And for those of you who don't know, South Park is a TV show, an American TV show. It takes place in a real city in the U.S. in Colorado. And these are the main characters. So we have Stan Marsh and Kyle. He's
퀄리티 괜찮네.
yeah, right. But actually, he's actually Jewish.
Just like you.
So, but it's okay. I'm sure it'll be fine. And Cartman,
Sweet.
we hate him so much. Now he's okay. Like first couple seasons, he's funny, and then suddenly he became kind of psychopath, and we hate him. Kenny. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I think it will be, I was saying to June, we have to break him because it's not really a spoiler, but in South Park, a running gag is that Kenny is always dying in every episode. But feeling this now, I think it's gonna be hard to like, I thought we could like throw him on the ground and he would shatter, but I don't know. And Butters. We love Butters.
We get grounded.
Yeah. He's an angel. He's so kind. It's a little weird for me and June because we started from the most current season of South Park and worked our way down. So we're almost done with season 1 now, which came out in like 1998. That was a long time ago. That was too long ago. I was like 5. Okay, Kyle, no one has to know, okay? But you're going on the tree. We don't care that you're Jewish. On purpose, I think they made Cartman's a little heavier. Because he's fat.
No, he's beautiful. That's why.
Don't make our tree collapse, Cartman. Don't fall and die, Kenny, please. All right, Butters. Last but not least.
Butters, if your parents know that you're here, you will get grounded.
No hamburgers. Here we go, tree topper.
진짜 잘했어.
No. Shall we turn on the lights?
진짜 이쁘다.
And you can change the lights too. Oh, I like this one better. I mean just these colors.
Turn off the light 해볼까?
Oh.
Jilly, turn the light 해봐.
Ooh. Ooh.
Looks happy though.
It's almost as tall as me.
Oh my god.
So, honey, how was my first time setting up a Christmas tree?
엄청 잘했어. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm satisfied.
뭐가 제일 재밌었어?
다 재밌었어. I've really never done this before, so I can feel the Christmas spirit, and I hope we can do with our kids someday.
오빠도 이거 만들고 싶었어. 왜냐면 진리가 you told me that you haven't had before. I really wanted to, make a tree.
Thank you. And now we have to put presents.
맞아.
There's nothing now, but soon we will have some presents.
Hey, you look so tired. What you doing?